Today, we're going to talk about how to run your business when people are running scared. What do I mean by that? I'm Laura Berman Fortgang, master credentialed coach, 5-time best-selling author, and TEDx speaker. I keep hearing the same thing from coaches and consultants and business owners right now. Nobody is spending money. But here's what I'm seeing. There are still coaches that are thriving. There's still business owners that are thriving. So what's the difference? They understand what's really going on in people's minds about money right now. They're scared. So when someone says, I can't afford it, what they're really saying is, I can't afford to make a bad decision right now. But here's the thing. When people are scared, they need help more than ever. They need clarity. They need focus. They need direction. They need accountability. They need help to manage the chaos. So what's the solution when money feels tight and people are running scared? There's 3 shifts you have to make. 1, even though I talk about selling the transformation all the time, you're going to stop doing that and you start talking about relief. So instead of saying, I'll help you build a 6-figure business, you're going to say, I'll help you sleep better at night and not worry about money. People will invest in peace of mind before they'll invest in potential when they're scared. 2nd, make it feel safe. Offer guarantees, smaller packages so the price is affordable, offer payment plans. When someone's scared, you need to reduce their risk, not increase your price. And 3rd is talking about the cost of waiting. Help people understand that doing nothing about their problems just makes it bigger when you get around to fixing it. All right, everyone. I'll see you back next Friday for Friday Focus.